Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make two bird feeders like these two. The first one I'm going to show you how to make is this one. You will need a wooden skewer, a knife, apple, some grapes, some raisins and some Cheerios. So the first thing you need to do is to get your apple and grapes and cut them up. I've got a piece of apple there. I'm going to get two grapes. You get your knife and cut your grapes into quarters. You might need an adult to help you with this. That's the grapes done. Then get your apple, cut it into small chunks. Okay, like that. Once you've done your fruit, you can start putting it all onto your skewer. Okay, so you can choose how you want to do this, what do you want to put on first. I'm going to put some grapes on mine and some pieces of apple. Got some raisins here to put on. You might want an adult to help you put some of these onto your skewer. Some Cheerios. It's up to you, but you can make 2 or 3 of these for the birds. Put some more grapes on. Right, I'm just going to put a few more raisins on. There you go. Once you've done that, you then need to get a piece of string, tie it onto the ends of your skewer. That's one end. There you go. That's the first one done. So the next one, what you need for the next one is a tube, some bird food, some squeezy honey, and a piece of string. First thing to do is to get your tube, put it in your tub of bird seed. Get your squeezy honey, squeeze the honey onto your tube, and using your fingers, rub it onto the tube thinly. Turn it around, keep adding the honey onto the tube and spread it until it's all covered all over. we go, I've nearly finished mine. So once it's all got the honey on, just keep rolling it round your birdseed so it covers the tuber all over, like that. What you need to do is pop that to one side to let it dry. Once it's dried, you need to get your piece of string and put it through your tube. So get your string, thread it through, tie it in a knot, there you go, the other bird feeder. Once you've done them, you can take them outside into your garden and hang them wherever you like. I'm going to pop mine onto my tree. I hope you had fun making these, and hopefully in 2-3 days you should see the birds feeding off these.